Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Liezl. So we are in a transition time from winter to spring, and spring is my favorite time to actually do some deep cleaning in my home. And we will start in the living room, and also I will be removing blinds and put new curtains. So I'm so excited to show you guys that the finished product, by the way. And the big thing is I will be changing my carpet as well because it's badly needed. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So without further ado, let's get this started. Since we are finally transitioning to spring in my living room, the first thing to go are these blinds. While they have done their job, I'm ready for something softer, lighter, and way more airy. So now that we have removed all the slats, I will be removing this track next. And let me tell you guys, even being on top of this couch, it's still a bit of a stretch. I feel like I need to grow a few inches or call in reinforcements. But no, we're committed now. So if anyone has a trick for making this easier, besides magically growing taller, let me know in the comments. Alright, now it's time for a simple but game-changing upgrade. These curtains are from Amazon that I got from last year. I know from the past that they're going to make this room feel so much brighter, softer, and totally ready for spring. And as you guys can see, they let in the perfect amount of light while still giving us privacy. And everything feels cozy and airy. This is such a small change, but it completely transformed the space. Next, I'm hanging up this art piece that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I've learned a super easy hack to make sure it's perfectly placed without any extra holes in a wall by just using painter's tape. So if you ever struggled with getting the nails or screwing in the right spot, this trick is going to save you so much time. So first, take a piece of painter's tape and place it across the back of your frame right over the hanging brackets. Then use a pen or marker to mark exactly where the nail hole should go. Now take the tape and place it on the wall where you want to hang your art and make sure that it's level. Then hammer your nails right across the marks on the tape, then peel it off. Your holes will be in the perfect spot, you guys. And this hack works like a charm, and the best part is you don't have to keep measuring and second guessing yourself. So let's test it out, and there you guys, it's perfectly hang on the first try. No frustration, no do-overs, and I'm loving how it ties in with the plants and the curtains. And I think it's helpful to have these plants in this corner as well because it softens the structured lines of the furniture. Alright, now it's time for a bigger change, which is switching my carpet. I removed the old ones yesterday and placed it in my dining room. I know this might seem like a small update, but trust me, it's going to make a huge difference in the way this space looks and feels. My goodness, I almost broke my back just trying to pull this couch on top of the carpet. But you guys, I am so happy that I changed my carpet. I love how this adds soft texture, it's light and cozy, and it instantly makes the space feel brighter and more put together. And I think my cat really likes it too. He definitely approves. Hi, Kiki. What do you think? Do you like this carpet? Isn't it so much better? Yeah, I know you like it. It's not as soft as your fur, though. Yeah. So before I jump into the main decorating part of this video, I always like to start with a fresh, clean space. So I'm giving this sofa and love seat a good vacuum. It's a small step that makes a big difference. And I don't know about you, but I'm always amazed at how much dust and crumbs find their way into the cushions. A quick vacuum and wiping down surfaces really helps refresh everything, especially before adding in cozy throws and pillows. And let's be honest, once the decor is in place, I don't always feel like pulling everything off just to clean. So this is just a perfect time to do it. Now time to bring in the rest of my furniture. So my coffee table and side table needs definitely some cleaning because my daughter loves to do all of her artwork here in my living room. So a little dust here, a few fingerprints there, and just gonna wipe them down. There's nothing like a clean surface to make everything feel brand new. Okay, so I was about to move this record player somewhere else, but honestly, I just realized how perfect it looks right here because I'm looking for that, vintage charm. And I think this is the perfect addition to this space. And we actually use it oftentimes, especially my teenage daughter. She loves listening to some good vintage music. Next, I'm bringing in these beautiful ottomans that I've been so excited to add to my living room. And one of my favorite things about this ottoman is that they are lightweight, so it's easy to move them around. I think they're the perfect balance to this area, tying everything together without making the space feel crowded. I love the color, it's calming, and it blends so well with the rest of my decor. I just love how they bring in a cozy, inviting feel while also giving extra seating when guests come over. It looks like Milo has found a perfect spot. I don't know if you noticed, but he likes to be on screen. You will see a lot of him for sure, so I'm just letting you know in advance. Now let's start decorating this table. And here's my little helper bringing in a touch of warmth and texture to our coffee table. I love starting with this woven tray as it helps to anchor all the items and keeps the arrangement looking neat. Next, I'm adding this beautiful vase and some stems from Target. I love how these flowers bring a pop of color and freshness to the table. And you see I'm bending them at various points since real flowers have natural curves and bends, so in that way we can create a natural and realistic look. To add a touch of luxury and a bit of sweetness, I'm including this glass box filled with chocolates. It's a delightful little surprise for guests and add a bit of sparkle to the table. Then I'm adding this hourglass, which is not only a functional piece but also adds an element of elegance and interest. The contrasting shapes and heights of all these items add visual interest. And let's add a few more elements to the table itself. I'm placing this book for an intellectual touch and candles for an inviting look. Now for this side table, I'm bringing in this brown vase to house these items with white flowers and green buds that I got from World Market this past year. I like how it creates a fresh and natural look and complements that natural light. Now let's move on to my entertainment center. And since it serves as a focal point of my living room, I wanted to blend warm texture and functionality. And you guys, until now, I'm still obsessed with the design of these cabinets. I love that rib detail and its natural tones, which makes it the perfect backdrop for layering decor. And please excuse Milo, he seemed to know where the camera is. So let me just get him out of the way. Now, as you can see, I have the sconces on each side of the TV that adds a soft glow. So below them, I'm bringing in lamps to anchor the look, offering additional lighting and sculptural element. And next to it, I am placing this oversized neutral tone vase. Then I'm adding in this faux greenery to bring in movement and a fresh organic touch. Then I'm bringing in this framed embroidered piece to add a pop of color, and to ground the display, I'm adding this dark wooden tray with a strand of glass beads that my baby girl thoughtfully placed like a true designer, isn't she? I love that the contrast in color and material creates a beautiful balance against the lighter elements. And for the opposite side, I'm adding this riser under the lamp to add some height variation together with these books. Finish the look and bringing in this clock from Target for the touch of brass. Now moving on to my couches, let's give it a little style and function using throw blankets. Not only they add that cozy, effortless vibe, but let's be real, they're also here to protect the couch from you know who. So by just draping this over the back softens the look, since the back of the couch is just plain, and of course it keeps the couch safe from fur and cloth. Next, I'm draping this white throw over the arm of the sofa. I love how it effortlessly blends with any seasonal decor. Now onto the pillows. I'm mixing a few different patterns and textures here. I love how this floral pillow brings in the soft botanical touches, and the solid neutral pillows balance everything out and tie the look together. Alright guys, now let's give this mirror a little TLC. It's amazing how much a clean mirror can instantly brighten up a space, especially this one since it reflects the whole living room. And let me show you guys how to seamlessly blend pet essentials into your home decor. So I'm placing this snake plant next to our cat's favorite scratcher. So it's important for me to choose a spot where Milo can enjoy while also keeping our decor cohesive. And as you can see, he is loving it. I choose the neutral tones of the scratchers so it beautifully blends with the rest of my decor. So it's really all about finding that balance between functionality and style by thoughtfully incorporating pet essentials into your decor. And you guys, we can create a stylish and pet friendly home. So I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own space. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and you find it helpful and you get inspired by it. And if you do, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also comment and subscribe because that will really help my channel grow. Again, thank you so much guys, and I hope to see you next time. Be well and be blessed. Bye now.